Hey guys, Cass Nelson-Dooley here, author of Heal Your Oral Microbiome and Functional Medicine Consultant. And I'm here to talk with you today about detox. It's spring, we want to get out the bad, bring in the new. And a lot of people are excited about liver cleanses, but really they're not that great all the time. They don't provide what your liver really needs to do its job with detoxification. So I'm here today to tell you about what you do need to detox your liver every day naturally. And also stay tuned till the end of this video for a 20% discount on some very high quality, reputable supplements. I wanted to broach this topic because I get a little tired of talking about the toxins that we're all exposed to. Unfortunately, there is cadmium in chocolate, there is lead in the air due to small engine aircraft fuel, there are even pharmaceutical medications in our water supply, and this is just the tip of the iceberg. And while it might be scary and make us worried, there's a lot we can do about it. Mainly, we need to avoid toxins, and we'll talk about that later, but also we can support detox. We can help our liver get rid of these toxins every day. It is made to get rid of toxins, so it's well equipped, and we'll talk about the details in a minute. But the main thing with detox, with liver detox, is that toxins really drag us down. They can cause serious diseases, or they can just slow us down to where we don't feel good every day, right? So they can affect our metabolism, they can damage our brain and our nervous system, they can manifest as skin problems because the skin helps us detox, and then of course energy. So the list goes on, and you can find it on my blog, Naturally Detox Every Day with These Foods and Supplements. But there's a lot of reasons for us to think about how to optimize our detoxification systems. So first, I like to talk about eating detoxification foods because this is something we can do every day. There's so many great foods that support the liver and help get rid of bad things. We can drink tea, green tea, black tea, peppermint tea, chamomile tea. These are all excellent for detox. Okay, also these foods, which you I'm sure know about well, things like garlic, onion, cruciferous vegetables are detoxification superstars. Things like Brussels sprouts, cabbage, kale, collard greens. And then lastly, amino acids or protein. So protein is critical for detox. Turkey, pork, chicken, if you're vegetarian, eggs, soybean, and dairy are really important for detoxifying well. Okay, sometimes food isn't enough and we need supplements to help with detox. And the supplements I'm going to give you are specifically used by the liver to get rid of toxins as part of phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3 detoxification. So this is well established all over the research. Phase 1 is a stage where the liver takes a toxin that's hard to dissolve and changes it chemically so that it will be easier to work with. In this process, it makes the toxin a free radical. So then it is actually worse than it was before. It's now more dangerous and damaging to tissues and cells. Phase 2 is the step where the liver puts on or attaches a chemical group like a methyl group or an amino acid group or a glutathione molecule, and now the toxin is packaged, it's not as unstable, and it's ready to be cleared out of the body. And then phase 3 is just the literal getting it out of the body, so transporting it out, and this can be getting that toxin out through the stool, through urine, or through sweat. So nutrients that are critical for this process and that you might need to supplement with are B vitamins, minerals, things like iron, selenium, zinc, amino acids. Remember we talked about protein and amino acids. Antioxidants. Remember we're going to have free radical damaging molecules circulating around. So we want antioxidants to help calm that down and protect the liver. So vitamins A, vitamin C, vitamin E, and all of those wonderful antioxidants that you can find in fresh fruits and vegetables. And then lastly, a very important thing with cleaning your body is to avoid toxins in the first place. So On my blog, you will find links to resources to help you stop or decrease the toxins in your food, decrease the toxins in your water and your air, and just cut out some of the common household toxins that are all around us. And this is a big job, of course, but don't be afraid. You can do it. Take small steps, stay positive, know that it's a wonderful investment in your health, in your family's health, in your patient's health, and it can be done slowly but surely. You can find more information on my blog, and as promised, we have a 20% off discount from Metabolic Maintenance, a reputable, prestigious supplement company that has been making integrative and functional medicine supplements for 30 years. They manufacture them themselves and they send them out for third-party testing. You can get 20% off. They have some great detox supplements too. You can get 20% off with the code HEALTH20. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this gets you started for a wonderful and clean spring.